interesting turn of events, tech mogul and ex-owner Elon Musk on Tuesday morning interviewed former president and Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump, covering several topics ranging from the assassination attempt on Trump to his Democratic presidential candidate rival Kamala Harris. However, Musk's interview was marred by a distributed denial of service attack interrupting the company's server and delaying the interview by more than 40 minutes. Talking about his assassination attempt, Trump stated, "If I had not turned my head, I would not be talking to you right now." Trump noted that it was illegal immigration that saved his life because Trump had tilted his head to look at the chart about immigration at his Butler rally that ended up causing the bullet to graze his ear. Recounting his assassination attempt in Butler, Pennsylvania, he said that it was never a surreal situation, as many call it, because he knew immediately that it was a bullet. He further went on attacking his presidential candidate rival Kamala Harris on her border security record, saying, "Immigration was the lowest in my last year in office and the Democrats have ruined it since." He further attacked Harris for purportedly copying his stance on a range of issues, be it border control and taxes on tips. The Republican presidential candidate further accused American neighbors of sending criminals to America's borders. At one point, he even said that Venezuela was freeing up its jails by releasing criminals and threatening them if they came back. Trump then told Musk that the US would witness the largest deportation in the history of America. Otherwise, the US would be filled with going to have a country that did what they've done to our country. The Musk-Trump interview gained a lot of attention, but at the same time, it was heavily criticized as well. Accusing Trump of attempting to control American democracy, the Kamala Harris campaign unleashed a fiery email and criticized Musk for allowing hate speech and disinformation. The Kamala Harris campaign further claimed that the billionaire is a lackey for Team MAGA. Notably, the interview also marked Trump's return to the social media platform X, as he was suspended from the posting site during his final days of the presidency, citing the risk of further incitement of violence. Notably, Musk had formally endorsed Trump soon after the assassination attempt was made against the Republican candidate, calling himself a moderate Democrat. He had also announced that he would be donating a sum of $45 million every month to a new political action committee to back the former president.